The interesting thing about connection is that you can get almost anything that you want out of life with connection. There was an observation that was made years ago, and I absolutely believe this, which is that if you take a wealthy person and strip everything away from them, that person will generally become wealthy again within 2 to 5 years. By the way, the opposite is true as well. I study mindset, and I know this for a fact. You take a poor person and you give them an immense amount of money. Most of the time that comes in the form of the lottery or inheritance or something like that. That person will be poor again within 2 to 5 years. The reason for that is mindset. I call it buoyancy. People always return back to their wealth buoyancy. That's why you have to work on your mindset. The same thing is true with wealthy people, but wealthy people have something in addition to the mindset. They usually have connections. So we're living in a world today where you strip everything away from a person, and if they call on their connections, they can get things that money can't even buy, right? So connection is everything.